Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today, I'm here with a new successful case study regarding Google Ads disapproved for misleading representation and issues with religious belief in personal advertising. So, this is another successful case study. So before I start, I like to introduce myself. This is Bill. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company and SEO expert. And just to let you know, guys, that we help with clients with Google Ads, suspensions, disapprovals management, Google Merchant Center suspension management, Bing Ads, SEO, and Facebook Ad services. So this was, the original, the deal came to us, and they provided us with a landing page, and they have to complain. So the problem was with that it has a misleading representation problem and religious belief in personalized advertising problem. So I will show you the first of all the landing page, and then I will show you everything. So when we looked around on the landing page, this was the landing page, and this was the they were trying to promote. So now I'm going to show you the error we had. So this was the original error, that the ads are disapproved, and you can see over here not eligible. Also, the ad got ample of impressions and the clicks before they got into suspension. So it was very interesting thing that the ads were running. It was like it was not a new account or a new ads running, and then these were the suspension errors, as I told you, like misleading representation in ads, also religious belief in personalized advertising. Okay, so the client was like, you can ignore the religious belief in personalized advertising and just sort out the misleading representation, but that we were able to sort both of them. So yeah, this was a happy moment for us. So people asking what we did with this. Okay, we didn't did anything special. you know in this case, to be really honest, every case requires a different scenario, and we have a 170 step audit like checklist design for Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads account suspension, Google Merchant Center suspension, and Facebook Ads and Bing Ads suspension. So when we cross check everything, almost everything was fine over here. So we were very surprised on why they were having. So then we thought that the issue is with the ad copy, and that exactly was the reason. Because in case if a site, for instance, is being labeled for compromised site or any other issue, then the whole site is banned regardless of whatever ad you're going to create. It will remain suspended. So when we looked around on this, okay, the thing was that we run the ad on our test account, okay, because we do not want to permanently run on their account, keep on trying the ads so that their account doesn't get suspended. To avoid that, we run on it, and that we showed the eligible scene over here. You can see that the ad is eligible, discover sustained containment, and everything is approved over here. And we even showed the landing page as well, there to show you guys that everything is fine. Okay, so I'm talking about the second ad which was there. Okay, so what exactly happened was, when we thoroughly investigated, as I told you, there was no such issue find in our website. The ad account was old. There were other campaigns running on the account. Even this campaign itself got ample of impressions and click before it got suspended. So what we did was, we did two things. Okay, we looked around the ad copy, modified that ad copy, and second was a consistent communication with our Google team to have those looked manually. So we manually got it restored for our client through communication with Google. Also worked around in changes of words in ad copies for compliance. So this was a simple and quick solution for them. So I'm very happy that we were able to get it restored back up and running. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this case study. This was a short but quick case study. So, but in case if you're looking for a professional help with Google Ads, audit, setup management, even if Google Ads are being disapproved, or even if your Google Ads account is suspended, Google Merchant Center account suspended, needs SEO services, Google Business Profile services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we're going to help you to make you create an amazing, awesome Google Ads campaign, and definitely your digital marketing campaign. And guys, if you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification. And in case if you still like this video, make sure to like and share this video. So I thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.